Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Gentle FS, and if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So today I will be teaching you MACD divergence to trade 1000. So first of all, what is divergence? Divergence is a time where you see price making a higher high on the main chart, and you see a price making a series of higher lower high on the indicator, and this signifies a trend reversal. So let me show you what I'm saying on this boom 1000 index on 1 hour time frame. So let's start. So I can see here the price is making a higher high here, and on this MACD indicator the price is making a lower low. So this is what I mean. So you can see I draw my trend here, price making a higher high, then I draw my trend on this indicator, price making a lower high. So let me use this cross here and show you. So this place price is making the differences here. Look at it. So how do you trade this divergence? You don't trade it immediately you see price making a higher high like this. So you actually have to wait for price to complete its movement. As you see here, the price make a higher high, then reach here, form some candlestick formation. So don't always depend on one confluences. Find at least two to three will be okay for you to trade the market massively. So at this second divergence, you can see that price make a pin bar there, then form something like also double top, that the market move massively. So you can see it, this divergence is actually something that good, that you don't want to miss it trading. So actually showing you this because it doesn't occur every time in the market. So I have to show you this thing now, so that anytime you find this kind of setup in your market, you will be able to trade it profitably. So let me show you another place, but it doesn't happen frequently. It is rare in the market, but when you are able to spot it, it is good to be traded. Another one is this. Look at the price is also making a higher high this place. So the price is making a lower high this place. So you can see that divergence in trading is really good and profitable also. You can see this thing, they have also confluences. You can see the confluences. This thing happen as normal divergence on this indicator. You can see these places, this candlestick formation here, it is what we call a sidebar formation. So you have two confluences to trade this divergence here, and you can see how the price move down. So being able to spot this thing in the market and also to follow it, you will know that is a good trading strategy to follow. So let me keep on showing you another before I change. Hello traders, yeah, here is another, the third one I'm showing you. Look at it, making a higher high, and then take a look at this indicator, price making a lower high. So and you can see that this divergence is really good. Look at how market move massively down. Imagine, let me just calculate it. Imagine trading it to the 400 to the next support level, can make 491 pips. So this strategy is good. Just be patient with the market. You will surely find a nice setup like this. Then you ride the move. Trader, and the least but not the last that I will be showing you on board 1000 in this one also. Look at market making a higher high. Sorry. Market making a higher high like this. So what is this again? Sorry, let me draw a nice one like this. Look at, I see price making a lower high like this. Look at traders, see how market move down. Can you trading this thing from here to here? Imagine you, let me say you enter here after this bullish engulf formation here. Yeah, this is bullish. You can see the market has a bullish engulf, bearish engulf here. So having two confluences to trade this market. So imagine you ride it here. Let me guess. The next pips you have got, man. Imagine to the next support, 325 pips for 4 candlestick. You know, that's enough money in the market, man. So that's all for boom. Traders, I'm here also on crash 1000. So you can use this thing also to cash spike on crash 1000, not only to trade even the market only. So look at this thing. Also, price making a series of higher high. Then look at the indicator, lower high, a good divergence. So you don't have problem trading this thing. You can just be able to identify the divergence on MACD and you are good to go. So let me show you the settings of this indicator I'm using, that is MACD. So I click on it. So fast EMA is 8 period, slow EMA 10, MACD SMA 8, apply to low. Styles, main pixel is main style is 1 pixel and color of the background, the signal is 3 pixel and color, you can use color of your choice but I'm using red, and level is 150, 120, any pixel of your choice and color of it. So get back and click done. So that is what I'm using for it. And trader, if you find this content more valuable, please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first to be notified when I post a new winning strategy like this. And also don't forget to share. Bye traders.